Today we are entering into a space quiz challenge. Are you ready to explore the cosmos?
Welcome to Thought Sprint, where your brain meet the challenge.
Let's get started. What is the invisible boundary around a black hole called? Answer is event horizon. Which planet is named after a Greek god? That's Uranus. What kind of matter makes up most of universe? It's dark matter. How old is the universe is? About 13.8 billion years. What does a light year measure? Answer is distance. Which planet has a day longer than each year? That will be Venus. Which planet is called the water planet? That would be Earth. Let's move to the next question. The phenomenon when the moon behind the Earth's shadow. Which lunar eclipse? Which of these is not a dwarf planet? It's A. Titan. Which planet has the fastest wind? Neptune. How many of you got that right? Let me know in the comment below. What lies at the center of the most large galaxies? Black hole is correct. Which moon phase comes after a new moon? That's waxing crescent. How many Earth can fit inside a sun? It's around 1 million. Which planet has the tallest mountain in the solar system? It's B. Mars. Which planet has the strongest gravity? That's Jupiter. It's the time for the classic one. What is the another name of star Sirius? Dog star. That's correct. What's the term for a cloud of gas and dust where stars are born? Answer is D. How many planets have exactly one moon? It's just one. Uranus and which planet is called gas giants? Neptune.
If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe.